Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today, guys, I'll be sharing with you the strategy that was able to make me much more profitable trades in the year 2022. So, without wasting much time, guys, make sure you click the link below to register with the broker that I'm using. And also, if you like to learn from us, you know what to do. Click the link, contact us so that you can get information and be part of the Forex Heroes. But let's not waste much time. You know what to do. You are new. Click the like, click the subscribe, become part of our family, and let's start trading. Let's go. Yes, everyone, I'm on the charts now. I always urge you guys to always follow what I'm doing. And when I'm busy analyzing, you take down notes with things that I'm saying. And also make sure you are able to watch these videos over and over again so that you can become profitable. So, one thing I'd like to mention, guys, is in a sense of understanding that the Forex trading market takes money from the impatient and gives it to the patient traders. So let's just look at this. I'm on daily time frame. By mere looking at this structure, I can already see that we were pushing from where in an impulsive move, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, double bottom. So look what happened here, right? We have a double bottom at the error block here, the last bearish candle before the move, okay? And one thing that I can assure you is that history repeats itself. Look what happened here as well. Last candle. So can you see? We pushed them, we came back, we test here, we buy here, we got. So look where we are now. Okay, go to 4-hour time frame. So always remember, guys, with trading view, you can opt to upgrade it. Always keep on forgetting. Have to do it. Okay, so can you see now we reached our TP? Where was our final TP? Look what happened here. You had a box here, a channel, and then you have something of this nature. You can take this one and make it like this. So can you see it was a correction, and then the market pushed, and then pushed here, break, retest, pushed, further, reach this point. Yes. So with this utmost interaction, we can almost see that yes, we are now where at the impulse, and then now I can safely say there's high chances of the market to go down or break. But if it breaks, have to do something like that. That's when we can do what we can buy. So for now, we rather wait or take our sell positions. So let's see if it is indeed viable to take a sell position. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. I want to see if it is indeed viable to take the move that I'm anticipating to happen. Something like this, you can see happened already, and then this, you see. Okay, fine. So let's go, and we have this, and also can have something like this, right? So where am I heading now? This is a pattern separation. So now for me to say, okay, we are pushing up, because one thing you have to do, you have to look for the beginning and the end. So now we can see for us to continue, we have to take the market here. But let's look at what is currently happening. You can see if this broke, so this will be the final TP. So it is indeed greater chance from the market to push, because you can see we reach this one, now we have to reach the bigger one, this bigger one here. Okay, fine, but we have to wait for some form of a confirmation. Let me go down. I'm looking for some form of a confirmation. I always try to use this with the order block. So I can see, let's go to 15 minutes. I can see now I'm not having a clear correction to the upside. You see, I'm not having a very clear correction to say I can safely buy, continue buying. But let's look at our last it should be our last order block. If we can take this and take this here, you can see they broke. A little bit tough one here. Broke and then should come back. I can safely use this one. Yeah, safely use this one. Yeah, I can safely use this one. So should the market come back to this point, something like this, I'm expecting a push to the upside. This is what I'm expecting to happen. Yeah, here I'll place my buys here, take it all the way. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for. Have to wait for this type of movements. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in rush. All this type of formations will always present itself. So you just have to understand what you are looking for in the market. And if we fail to hold this one, then this one should be our much discounted price. You see, it should be our much discounted price. Can safely say this can be our demand. Yeah, this could be our highest demand point. So if we have a chance to push this, we keep it all the way to the upside. So all this, you need to understand that it comes with practice. You won't just be having this type of movements by you not putting in the work. You can see even here, what did we have? We have something like this, bounced here at the at the demand. Okay, so let's look at another form of information that communicating with this. Okay, fine. The very same thing that's happening there, I want to show you a similar pattern. Okay, you see what happened here? We were pushing to the downside, right? And then we have a bullish channel, ascending channel, something like this. Obviously, you know, when you're having this type of channels, it's gonna be followed by a break, right? So looking at this, we broke, retest, pushed further down. But I want to show you where mostly we are having those type of retests, because you have to understand the importance that you are looking at taking your trades, you being able to take those sniper entries. Okay. This was a bit of a big stop loss, but can you see it pushed further up to this point? So looking at what is currently happening, you need to be aware of the movements that we are seeing in the market. So you can see that if you had taken your fib level and then you familiarize yourself and said you're gonna turn somewhere, the last bullish candle should be this one, you see. So look, where did we turn? So we could have took a risk entry, snapper entry at this point, because you can see here we are having what, a last bullish candle giving you an order block. And subsequently, if it failed, this would have been your strong supply. See, this is the order block, point of interest. And let's look at, and you can see where it is 50% retracement. So it's one of the most things that you can subsequently do to get the information out of the market. Look at this one. Let's see where we are now, 61.8. So you can see this point, you see a golden zone here, you see. So you see it reversed around this point and take it all the way to reach the target. Okay, perfect. So this one failed this month because we were expecting this to break this low, break this low, and then come back around here possibly and push further to the downside. We're expecting something like this, and then but it failed. It pushed, broke this high, meaning that it showed us that at this point we are currently pushing where to the upside. You see, and it reached its own TP, then failed to break this area. So this area is very much strong. Then what did it do? It pushed further to the downside. As you can see here, we had movements. You see the movement here showing you that yes, indeed, I'm preparing myself to push where to the downside, and clearly forming corrective patterns. All these guys will come with practice. Make sure you are practicing what I'm sharing with you. Don't be just observing or watching videos. So make sure you click that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Catch me in the next videos. I'll always keep on sharing, guys. All you need to do is just support this channel, keep on coming back, subscribe, become part of the family, and also make sure you click the link below to use the broker that I'm using. They offer 100% bonus, very low spreads. The withdrawals are very fast, and you will always have a dedicated manager to your account. Peace.